everybody, I wanted to make this quick video to discuss this article I found on 9 to 5 Mac. It's a article that discusses one particular action that I was looking for probably all of Friday and Saturday. I say Friday because it discusses a new action that will be added to the shortcuts application, which is orientation lock. Right now, I have my iPhone locked permanently into the vertical position, vertical orientation. So I have it locked, actually. But if I were to ever want to watch a wider screen on YouTube or probably Netflix, I think Netflix, the app automatically changes the orientation when you launch it, or when you launch at least a video or TV show, but YouTube does not. So if you're watching YouTube and your iPhone is locked, has the orientation locked, you'll be seeing it vertically. And you just have this small square to try to watch the whatever it is, whatever video you're watching. Now, this shortcut will allow you to create, or this action will allow you to create a shortcut based on, I think, what is launched. So I'm assuming that it allows you to take, first off, when you launch, let's say Netflix or YouTube, it will automatically, you can set it to unlock orientation. You see the picture here, it has orientation lock on. So I'm assuming that you will be able to unlock the orientation when a particular app is launched. This would be useful for 3 apps that I can think of. One is obviously, or actually 4. One is actually YouTube and YouTube and Netflix. If Netflix does not automatically do it for you and give you the horizontal orientation. And then Kindle. I always like to read the Kindle when it's straight up and down, and every time I move, it changes the orientation. But now I realize I can lock the orientation. And Twitter. Trying to use the Twitter application on the iPhone in bed is almost impossible because it turns, if it's not locked, it turns the orientation to horizontal. So my issue is, I learned about this shortcut from the Automators podcast. And then, so therefore, I went to look for it and never found it, or how to do it, or how to launch a shortcut based on an app that is triggered. So let me ask you guys: do you know how to launch a shortcut based on what app is running or what app is launched? Now, this article obviously talks about orientation lock, taking a screenshot. You can quickly take a screenshot and then send it to your library. So, and obviously you'll be required to give permission because of privacy concerns. And then I guess you will have an action to change voice and data mode to Wi-Fi only, I think I have a running shortcut that automatically um, changes uh, from Wi-Fi to data when Twitter is running, because I believe I was having connection problems when um, I was trying to run Twitter at a certain part of the building, and I, with my iPhone at least, I'm finding trouble when the iPhone and cellular connections are both running. It seems like the Wi-Fi is not strong enough, so the data tries to assist, and it makes it so none of them actually work. And I get check your phone if it's online message. So I'm a little bit upset with this article because the update, the 14.5 update, is not yet available for regular users. I think it's available if you're on the beta testing team, but it's no longer available. So let me ask you guys, what shortcut would you create if the orientation lock action, shortcut action, is available? Alright guys, I'll talk to you guys soon, and in the next video, please remember to subscribe, like, and comment on this video and any other video you'd like to see next. Thanks. See you guys in the next video.